Need to save numbers while performing multiple calculations. Windows Calculator includes built-in memory functions that let you store, recall, add, subtract, and manage values without writing them down. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to use memory functions in Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu, search for Calculator, and open the app. Memory functions are available in Standard, Scientific, and several other calculator modes. Windows Calculator includes several memory controls. MC clears memory, Mr. recalls the stored value, M+ adds the displayed number to memory, M- subtracts it from memory, MS stores the current value. An M down arrow opens the list of saved memory values. Enter a number and click MS to save it in memory. Yeah, whenever you need that value again, simply click Mr. to recall it instantly. You can continue updating the stored value using M+ and M-. I mean, this is especially useful when totaling expenses, keeping a running balance, or performing long calculations. Click M down arrow to open the memory list and view all stored values. When you're finished, click MC to clear the memory and start fresh. Memory functions are useful for budgeting, accounting, homework, engineering calculations, shopping totals, and many other situations where you need to keep track of numbers across multiple calculations. And that's how to use memory functions in Windows Calculator in 2026. By storing and recalling values with just a few clicks, you can perform longer calculations more quickly and avoid entering the same numbers repeatedly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.